Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on section 68. Section 68 broadly says that if any credit is there into the books of the accounts in the form of cash credit, and if the assessee is not able to explain the identity, genuineness and credit worthiness of that credit, then the addition under section 68 can be made for that amount. The issue before the Honorable Calcutta High Court in the present case was that if an amount has already been added into the income of the assessee, then in that case the source of that credit is already explained. So whether the revenue has the power to make the addition of that amount again into the income of the assessee on the other pretext. This issue has been taken by Honorable Calcutta High Court in the case of Commissioner of Income Tax versus Pramod Sharma, and this case has been reported in 468 ITR at page number 258. The date of the judgment is 5th February 2024. The facts of the case are like this. In the present case, the assessment year involved in is 2005-06. There was one entry operator. When search was made on that entry operator, he admittedly, without doubt, that he was engaged in the business of providing accommodation entries. He gave the complete details of the bank accounts, check issued by him, cash received from the various persons to whom the accommodation entries were given by the assessee. The revenue on the basis of all these details calculated the income of the assessee on the basis of some percentage of the cash deposited into the books of the assessee. The total amount deposited was 166.59 crore rupees, and this commission income was taken as the income of that assessee because the assessee was providing this facility to the various beneficiaries in the form of accommodation entries, and he was getting remuneration in the form of commission, and this income was added into the income of the assessee. This is not a new thing into the income tax proceedings. It happens very casually when a search is made on some entry providers. So in the assessment of those entry providers, the commission income is added and the full amount is being added into the income of the beneficiaries. This is the broad principle of making the assessment. When this assessment was made on the commission basis, once again the revenue issued the notices to the assessee to make the assessment, and now this time the assessing officer wanted to make the addition under section 68 for the amount deposited as cash into the books of the assessee, that is 166.59 crores, for which the assessee has already explained the source and the assessee was already taxed on that income. The assessee pleaded that this amount has already been taken into my income, but the assessing officer went away with the addition. So when this matter came before the Honorable Calcutta High Court, the Calcutta High Court was of the opinion that in the present case, whatever the cash credits are there, those cash credits have already been explained by the assessee, for which the addition in the form of commission for providing the accommodation entries has been made into the income of the assessee. So once again adding the amount under section 68 will amount to double taxation, and this is not the mandate of section 68. So the addition under section 68 cannot be made. Friends, in this case, the addition under section 68 was deleted by the Honorable Calcutta High Court. It has been seen that, and it is very painful for the beneficiaries also, that the accommodation entry provider is left scot-free with just a meager income of commission, and the whole amount is added into the income of the beneficiaries. But nowadays the department is very strict, and the department is taking the prosecution proceedings against the various entry providers. So it will help in demoralizing those entry providers so that they should not involve in this type of practices. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Commissioner of Income Tax versus Pramod Sharma, and this case is reported in 468 ITR page number 258, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Calcutta High Court on 5th of February 2024. Thank you, friends.